My name's Mick North. I'm President CEO of Anderson Global. This morning I'm here with Eric Kalvaitis. Eric does the majority of our quoting and cost estimating activity. Good morning, Eric.
Hey, good morning, Mick. How you doing?
Good. Why don't you just kind of give our customers a quick, real high-level overview of our quoting process and the kind of things you look for and need from them?
Yeah, so for kind of standard foundry tooling with, we can kind of focus on like a permanent or semi-permanent mold. Ideally, if we get at least a rough casting model to kind of start taking a look at, ideally it would be a production intent model, but sometimes this is kind of like an early stage budgetary process that we go through. But, in the past we used to only get drawings from time to time, but as of late, typically we get a model. So we can bring it in, we can kind of do like a draft analysis, almost like a design for manufacturing type analysis, but not to the degree that the design team does. We get the casting in, we can look at draft, wall thicknesses, and then just really any major problem areas that we see. So we bring the model in, and I'm going to share my screen here with you. And we can kind of just do some quick introductory analysis of the casting.
So this is why it's preferable to get that CAD model from our customers, because we can immediately take a look at this and look for issues and concerns and get those highlighted early on in the process.
100%. Yeah, because some of these things are known. There's no draft. Well, that might just be they're just thrown together preliminary and they understand that they have to add draft. But there are sometimes areas where we catch like, hey, this is either going to be a core or a slide. Can that be addressed? Because that saves them time and money throughout the entire casting process. So in this case, having the model, I can easily highlight that there are some draft issues, but in the meantime, it also allows me to get some estimated stock sizes for a single cavity. If it's multi-cavity, then I can add that. If they give me information on what type of ejector system, what type of machine, really just how they're going to process or intend to process this in the foundry, and I can build a quote from there. If sometimes we get it at a different level and it's more exploratory, if I know a general process, I can get some intelligence to the model and maybe throw together an anticipated mock-up of how this mold will look, and this can help guide the quote, adds information in a 3D format that's shareable beyond words. And in this environment with 3D models, I think this goes a long ways.
Okay, so thanks, Eric. If you'd like to know more or have a further in-depth discussion with Eric, reach out to us. You can contact us. The information at the end of this video, or find us on www.andersonglobal.com.